People forget in San Francisco, you could still be surrounded by nature and still be in the heart of the city.
Just steps away from here is your city retreat. And evening, you can wind down with wine from your wine fridge.
Morning starts with your very own built-in coffee machine.
Refined with organic touches, blending canyon nature through expansive windows.
Clean lines throughout. These doors pushed open. 131 Turquoise Way is a studs-down remodel with 3-bed, 3.5 bath that is sleek and undeniably chic.
I'm Zara Robotham with Vanguard Properties, and this is James Robotham with Compass, a brother-sister real estate team.
If you like what you see, message us for a tour.